Large range of electronically controlled peristaltic pumps can be used in laboratories and pilot plants in pharmaceutical and food industries for organic synthesis, medicinal chemistry, food science, quarantine and epidemic prevention, military chemistry, molecular biology, analytical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, petrochemical engineering, materials science, biology, medicine. Timer operation with shutdown. Made of stainless steel. We provide detailed instructions for each model of peristaltic pump for liquids. Pumps are inspected and tested in-house before shipment. Complete and working order is guaranteed. Minipress's experienced specialists will help you choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress.ru is one of the most authoritative in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp at the number +7 985 364 38 08. You can also send a request to email info@minipress.ru. We maintain a stock of parts and consumables in stock. Prices include customs fees in Russia and delivery to the buyer's city. BT-100 peristaltic pumps. Flow range 0.00011 to 720 milliliters per minute. Flow accuracy less than 0.5%. Speed range 0.1 to 150 rpm. Velocity resolution 0.1 to 100 rpm. Velocity resolution 0.1 rpm. 100 to 150 rpm. 1 rpm speed resolution. Power supply AC 220 volts plus minus 10%, 50 Hz 60 Hz standard, AC 110 volts plus minus 10%, 50 Hz 60 Hz optional, power consumption less than 30 watts, external control electric input level 5V, 12V standard, 24V optional. External control analog 0 to 5 watts standard, 0 to 10 watts, 4 to 20 milliamps optional. External communication interface RS-485 communication interface, supports Modbus protocol. Ambient temperature 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, relative humidity less than 80%, degree of protection IP31, dimensions 260 mm by 181 mm by 198 mm, weight 4.5 kilograms.
We're proud to offer professional advice on choosing any pharmaceutical equipment. Our exhaustive catalog comprises equipment produced by Chinese, Indian, Korean, and Thai manufacturers. We are ready to seek for you used pharmaceutical equipment made by Russian and European manufacturers. We assist in choosing and delivery of pharmaceutical equipment to Russia. Our industry experience and knowledge are vast and valuable. Our catalogs help to choose the best alternatives due to many videos, photos, and detailed descriptions. We're able both to make sets of equipment and to deliver separate units according to samples. You will also enjoy the whole range of related goods, packing, raw materials, and consumables. RomanTsibulsky will answer all of your questions. Moscow phone +7 495 364 3808.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.